Hello ladies and gentlemen, Globerex here again, and today in this video I'm going to be talking about, does account size really matter in order for you to be a profitable trader? Alright, let's go. I do see a couple of people talking about, you need to have 100k account or 50k account, 200k accounts for you to actually become a profitable trader. You can't be trading with $100 and become a profitable trader, or $200 and become a profitable trader, which is actually very wrong. It's a very, very wrong concept. You don't get profitable just because you have access to more money. No, you get profitable because you are actually a good trader. But before we dive in further, let's talk about the key factors or the key points in this topic, because as the topic says, does it matter, or does your account size matter in order for you to be a profitable trader? All right, fine. So what is the key point in this? It is profitability. Now, what is the definition of profitability, or what does it mean when someone says you are profitable? In simple terms, it simply means you are able to make more wins than your losses. That's it. Literally, I mean, your gains are more than your losses. At the end of the day, as a business person or whatever it is you do, you invested or you bought something at so price, and then you were able to make profits. Yeah, you could have made loss, but by the time you look at the cumulative of everything, you ended up in profits. That is profitability. So it's not relative to amounts. It does not matter how much it is, or how much you're trading with, or how much your account size is, in order for you to be a profitable trader or not. However, the confusion is, does your account size matter in order for you to be rich? Right now, if we see it that way, then I'll say yes, your account size does matter for you to be rich, right? But before we go down to that, let's take a look at profitability properly. All right, now, so you started your trading account. You started your trading account with what kind of amount should I use that is relatively small, that every small trader can relate to? So I don't want to use big amount of money. Let's say $50. Yeah, I think that is something we can all relate to, and it's something, it doesn't matter which country you are from, Africa, Asia, Europe, regardless of your country economy, you should be able to get $50, right? So let's say you started a trading account with $50. Now, the ideal percentage gain for a profitable trader is 5 to 10% in a month, right? But let's not look at that. Let's just say you were able to grow that account from what it was to like a 5% increase, right? 5% increase. And what is 1% of $50? $0.5, right? $0.5 is 1% of $50. So which means 5% of that is 0.5 times 5, which is 2.5, right? $2.5. So you were able to grow the account from $50 to $52.5. You are a profitable trader. That is what it means to be profitable, right? You were able to increase the account size. That's profitability. You made profit. Yeah, the profit might have been small. It's 2.5 bucks, right? But profit is profit. Okay, that's where most people get it wrong. But now, you earning 2.5 bucks or $2.5 at the end of the month, does that make you rich? No. Okay, because your account size was small. So your account size was small, thereby hindering how your profit amount doesn't really hinder your profit ratio or your profit percentage. It's just the amount depending on your account size. So which means if you still traded the same way you traded that $50 on a $1,000 account, you're going to get a higher profit, right? So you are a profitable trader, but you earning $2.5 does not make you rich. So that is the misconcept I want you guys to understand. Now take a look at it from this way. You posted at the end of the month that what you made was $2.5, right? You do not show the percentage or the realized PNL. You just said $2.5. So people might be like, oh yeah, it's poor, it's not a profitable trader, blah 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 blah. And then you see someone else with a $1,000 account. $1,000 account. It's still a small account. Yeah, I don't want to use two big numbers, so that you can relate to me properly. You see someone with a $1,000 account, and the person lost money, right? At the end of the month, from $1,000, his balance is now showing $900, right? So now when the person screenshots his account size, they're going to see that he has $900 in his account. And when you screenshot your own account size, because you traded with $50, you're going to have $52.5. Logically speaking, it's as if probably the one who had a $900 account is richer than you, or is more, don't let me say richer, yes, he is richer, is more profitable than you who had a $52.5 account. That's the mistake here, right? You don't need a large account to be a profitable trader. You need proper discipline, proper strategy, and have your edge in the market, and you are a profitable trader. Then you just have to scale up your account size in order for you to be rich, right? The same strategy you traded on a $50 account, you can trade it on a $2,000 account, you can trade it on a $5,000 account, 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, 100,000, 200,000, and you are still the same, okay? But if you are blowing accounts because you feel, you need more accounts, so you can be profitable, that's a very, very wrong concept. Because if you cannot manage the little that is given to you, how are you expected to manage big amount of money? So it's not possible. So to answer the question, right, I still have some kind of, talks we are going to be talking further in this video. But to give a straight answer to it, account size does not matter when evaluating a profitable trader. It does not matter. So now, after explaining if your account size determines if you're a profitable trader or not, there are some things I want to talk about. So now, let's say, although I'm still going to be talking about them more in a more explained way in other videos, but let's just cover it, right? Now, how can you become a profitable trader? Because now, since I've answered the question, okay, I've answered the question, your account size doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what account size you have, you're still going to make money eventually if you're a profitable trader. Okay, you should stop focusing on, the screenshots of the account sizes. How can you become a profitable trader? First things first, risk management, right? I don't see so many people talk about this on YouTube, but the things we are always saying is how to take a $50 account to $2,000, how I flipped a $10 account to $500 in 5 days. I mean, literally, you guys can relate to that. That is literally almost all the videos you've been seeing up and down. How I took a $5 account to $100 in 24 hours and all that. Realistically speaking, those things is not real, right? It's possible, okay, but it's not ideal to do. That's not how you grow accounts. If you are growing an account that way, that means you are totally full potting. There is no risk management whatsoever in your trade. It's a gambling approach. Yeah, that's the right word. You are gambling, you're not trading. Because a profitable trader is going to take calculated risks. Yes, we are taking risk. We risk money to make more money. But at the same time, you need to know that you are taking calculated risks to make money, right? You're not just putting in all your life savings like you're trying to gamble on a football match, and then if the next team wins, you make money. No. In a way, you are risking money, you are gambling, but it has to be calculated. So tell me, how is it calculated when you are flipping a $5 account to like $50 or $100 in a day? If it were possible, okay, now let me ask you this question. Have you ever seen a YouTube video? I'm waiting. If you've seen any, please post it for me in the comment section. I would like to watch where you saw someone took a $100,000 account to $500,000 in a day. That's just 5x, right? That is just 5x. Have you ever seen any YouTuber or any trader, regardless of how expert they are or how many years of trading they've had, 30 years of trading, nobody is yet to come out and tell me he has taken a $100,000 account to $500,000 or a $100,000 account to $1 million. If it were that simple, then everybody would be doing it, right? But you literally see people taking $10 account to $100 in a day. You see that, right? $10 to $100 in a day. That's what? That's 10x. 10x. And that gives the kind of the wrong mentality to new traders. I mean, new audiences that I'm trying to like guide, so we grow together. Doesn't mean I'm really an expert like that, but I have my edge, true, but I'm trying to like grow together with other newbie traders. If it were that easy, I want you guys to understand with me, if it were that easy, like the way they take $10 account to $100 account, then they should be able to take $100,000 account to $1 million account. I'm yet to see any that's done that, which means risk management is key, right? Without risk management, you are just going to be donating money to the market. That's it. You come into the market will humble you real quick, and you go back home with your tails between your legs, crying. Oh, trading is a scam. It's this. I did crypto trading. I did forex trading, options. I traded stocks, and I lost all my life savings. Yeah, you lost all your life savings because you did not actually seek the knowledge, right? You didn't seek the knowledge. You were the human brain is so glued on how much do I make. I see some people come and ask me, yo Rex, if I start trading today, how much will I be able to make after like 1 month? You don't, man, it's not possible. It takes stages. It's a process. That is what I'm going to be talking about in this channel. I'm not going to be talking about the lies, or the deceits, or the unrealistic ways or unrealistic approaches to trading that a lot of people are talking about. $5 to 20 something thousand dollars, or $50 to $10,000 challenge. No, it's not possible. So the main thing is risk management, right? In my other videos, I'm going to be talking about risk management. So once you have a solid risk management, right, you are going to become a profitable trader. That's the first step. The second step is risk to reward ratio. You see, this is a very, very, very vital role that most people do not understand, right? I'm willing to risk. I like using small money, so you can literally understand. If I start using thousands of dollars, it might become confusing. So let's put it this way. In a trade, I am willing to risk $2. When they say $2, that means that is how much I'm going to lose if that trade goes against me. I am willing to lose $2 to make $2. I'm trying to explain risk to reward ratios here, which means 1:1. You are risking 2 to make an additional 2. In that scenario, you need to have 50% win rate to break even. So if you risk $50 today, or you risk $2 today, you made the $2, and tomorrow you traded again and you lost the $2. Now you've not made any profit, or you've not made any loss. We have 1:2. I'm risking $2 to make times 2 of my $2, which is 4. So now I'm risking $2 to make $4, which is, to me, the least risk to reward ratio you should be taking as a profitable trader. I mean, if I win a trade today, I make $4, right? Even if I lose tomorrow, I'm still going to be on a plus $2 profit. So 1:3, I'm risking $2 to make $6. Even if I win just once, right, and I lose 2 times, I will still have plus $2 in my account in profit. You see, that's the key. Risk management first, then your risk to reward ratios on your trade. Then we can even talk about win rates. Win rate comes last. For example, now you are risking $2 on a trade to make $1. Yeah, you won. Let's talk about an example. On Monday, I risked $2 and I came out of the trade with $1 profit. That's like 1:0.5, which is ridiculous. On Tuesday, I traded again. I risked $2. I made $1 profit. So 2 trading days and I made what? $2. And now the third day, I take a trade and then I lose my $2. What do you think happened to me? I have literally wasted 2 days gathering profits only for just one day to come and it sweeps off my profit, right? So that's the best way to be a profitable trader. Have good risk management and have a solid risk to reward ratio. I personally recommend nothing less than 1:2. Any trader that trades less than 1:2, to me, you might be profitable, right? Sorry to say you might be profitable, but to me it's not really ideal, right? It's not really ideal due to the unpredicted market conditions. You can't always be having wins and wins and wins. You sometimes lost to the market. It's normal, right? Yes, losses are part of the process. So how do you control your losses? That's where your risk to reward ratio comes in. And I'll be talking more about these topics, risk management, how to calculate your risk to reward ratios, and other stuffs in other videos. But for now, bye for now, and make sure you like, subscribe this video if I actually added some kind of value into your life, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.